Okay, now let's get lengths of internal angle bisectors of triangle. In this figure, we want to find lengths AD, BE and CF, which are internal angle bisectors of angles A, B and C respectively. Let's first get length AD. Here, internal angle bisector AD divides triangle ABC into two parts, okay, into two triangles. One is triangle ABD and other triangle is ADC. Okay, so we can use this one, area of triangle ABC, which we denote by delta. Okay, this is equal to area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle ACD. Okay, now this angle is A by 2, this angle is A by 2 because this is an internal angle bisector. Okay, AD is a common side between these two triangles. Okay, area of triangle ABD is 1 upon 2 multiplied by AB means small c multiplied by AD multiplied by sine of A by 2. Okay, plus area of triangle ACD is 1 upon 2 multiplied by this is small b multiplied by AD multiplied by sine of this angle, which is A by 2. Okay, so we have delta is equal to 1 upon 2 AD sine of A by 2 multiplied by B plus C. Okay, now delta is 1 upon 2 multiplied by BC multiplied by sine A. Okay, so we have this, and sine A is 2 sine A by 2 cos A by 2. So we have here sine A by 2 cos A by 2, 2 gets cancelled out from both sides. Sine A by 2 gets cancelled out. Okay, so we have AD is equal to 2BC upon B plus C multiplied by cos A by 2. This is length of angle bisector AD, length of internal angle bisector. Okay, now from the structure of this formula, we can get length of internal angle bisector BE. This is equal to, we will have here cos of B by 2 and here we will have 2AC upon A plus C. Okay, and length of internal angle bisector CF will be 2AB upon A plus B multiply by cos of C by 2. ठीक है ना? अगर आपको ये फॉर्मूला याद नहीं रहता है तो आप इसका पाथ याद रखिए कि हमने किस तरह से डिराइव किया था. यू शुड रिमेंबर द प्रोसीजर इन विच वी डिराइव दिस फॉर्मूला. Okay, so if you forget the formula at the time of application, you can derive the formula easily. ठीक है ना? You can recall the formula. Okay, now let's try some questions based on these formulas. Okay, now we have this question. If internal angle bisector of angle A meets circumcircle at point P, then we have to prove that dP is equal to A square secant A by 2 upon 2 multiplied by B plus C. Okay, now we want to find length dP, which is part of the secant AP of circle. यहाँ पे AP जो है वो सर्कल का एक secant है. Okay, dP उसका एक part है. That means here we can use the secant property of circle, that is BD multiplied by DC is equal to AD multiplied by DP. This is secant property of circle. We have two secants passing through point D, BC and AP. Okay, so we have BD multiplied by DC is equal to AD multiplied by DP. Now we have lengths BD and DC. We have BD upon DC is equal to AB upon BC, means small c upon small b. So this is C lambda. BD is equal to C lambda, DC is equal to B lambda. Now C lambda plus B lambda is equal to A. So we have lambda is equal to A upon B plus A. मुझे formulas याद नहीं रहते हैं, so every time I derive these formulas. Okay, but for that I have to consider the internal angle bisector property of triangle. Okay, so we have BD is equal to AC upon B plus C, and DC is equal to AB upon B plus C. Okay. Also, we have length of angle bisector AD. AD is 2BC upon B plus C multiplied by cos A by 2. Okay. This multiplied by dP, we have to get length dP, and we can get length dP from this. From both sides, BC gets cancelled out. So we have dP is equal to A square secant A by 2. From both sides, B plus C gets cancelled out. So we have this upon 2 multiplied by B plus C. So here we are making use of secant property of circle. Also we are using formula for length of internal angle bisector. Okay. Let's have one very interesting question which was asked in JEE exam. Okay, now we have this question asked in IIT exam. Question is in triangle ABC, internal angle bisector of angle A meets BC at D. This is point D. Okay. Now DE is perpendicular to AD, meets AC in E and AB in F. We have point E on AC such that DE is perpendicular to AD. So from point D, we draw one line which is perpendicular to AD. We have this line. Okay, this is point E. Here AD is perpendicular to DE. Okay, and this line cuts AB in F. So we extend this line. It cuts AB at F. That means we have to extend AB too. So let's extend AB. We have here extended part of AB. Okay, and then we extend line DE. Okay, so we have this extended line. Okay, this is point F. Okay, now we have here four options. Now here we first focus on option D. Option D is triangle AEF is isosceles, which is absolutely true because here AD is internal angle bisector. Okay, and AD is perpendicular to EF. ठीक है ना, ये इंटरनल एंगल बाइसेक्टर है जो ऑपोजिट साइड को परपेंडिकुलर है. ठीक है ना, एंड दिस इज पॉसिबल ओनली इफ ट्राइंगल AEF इज आइसोसेलेस ट्राइंगल. आइसोसेलेस ट्राइंगल में इंटरनल एंगल बाइसेक्टर ऑपोजिट साइड को परपेंडिकुलर होता है. सो ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट. ऑल्सो ऑप्शन B is correct because length of angle bisector AD is this 2BC upon B plus C multiplied by cos A by 2. Okay. Now C option is for length EF. Now length EF is equal to 2 multiplied by D because D is midpoint of EF. Okay, because here this line is perpendicular bisector of EF. ठीक है ना, triangle AEF is isosceles triangle. This is internal angle bisector. That means AD will bisect EF. So FD is equal to DE. So we have EF is equal to 2 times DE. We can get DE from triangle ADE. In this triangle, we have tan of A by 2 is equal to opposite side DE upon adjacent side AD, and AD is 2BC upon B plus C multiplied by cos A by 2. Okay, so put the value of D here. D is equal to 2BC upon B plus C multiplied by tan A by 2 multiplied by cos A by 2, and this is sin A by 2. So we have EF is equal to 4BC upon B plus C multiplied by sin A by 2. So option C is also correct. Okay. Now option A is HM of B and C. Now we can get length A from triangle ADE. In this triangle we have cos of A by 2 is equal to adjacent side AD, which is 2BC upon B plus C multiplied by cos A by 2 upon hypotenuse A. From both sides cos A by 2 gets cancelled out. So we get AE is equal to 2BC upon B plus C, and this is harmonic mean of B and C. So A is HM of B and C. So this option is also correct one. तो यहाँ पे लेंथ ऑफ इंटरनल एंगल बाइसेक्टर को यूज करके एक बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है, ठीक है ना। जेई में इसी तरह के इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, ठीक है ना। होप यू लाइक दिस वीडियो। Cengage India has launched the new edition of our JEE Advanced Maths books. Please visit www.cengage.co.in to buy a copy. You can also buy the books from Amazon and Flipkart.